No matter where you live or what your lifestyle is, BizLink electrical appliance products are at your side every single day. Our products are there to help you get the most out of your gadgets. With facilities on 2 continents, BizLink is one of the world's largest suppliers, offering a unique range of plugs, internal wiring, and systems compatible with all electrical power systems in use around the world today, particularly for export-dependent electrical appliance manufacturers that also produce internationally. This represents an invaluable advantage. You obtain everything from one single source worldwide. In Europe, our production plants are located in Slovakia and Serbia. The Slavic history of the BizLink brand began in 1990 when ZTS EVU Inc. started its collaboration with Leonishna Drahtwerke. The first joint project involved the production of coiled power cords for our first early customer, Philips. The product range was about to enlarge in the years to come. In 1995, we were awarded our first ISO certification. Since 2004, our electrical power cords have been manufactured on fully automated production lines. In 2010, the production of rubber cables was launched. In 2013, we have started our production in Serbia, focusing on labor-intensive products such as mass-produced internal wiring harnesses and system products. In 2017, the Leoni business unit Electrical Appliances was acquired by the BizLink Group. In the following year, 2018, a new plant in Serbia was built up, further bringing us closer and stronger for our customers in Europe. In-depth know-how characterizes all of our product processes along the whole value chain, starting with the extrusion of PVC, HFFR, and rubber core, followed by twisting and jacket extrusion cables, which are consequently processed on semi-automated and fully automated lines. Products for our premium customers such as Miele, Vorwerk, Bosch, and BSH are assembled on dedicated production lines. Specialized products in lower volumes are made by hand. The tools required for injection molding of our plugs are designed and maintained in-house. Besides the standard portfolio, our plants in Slovakia and Serbia focus on the design and production of customer-specific solutions. Our latest development is the integration of electrical and mechanical parts into cord sets and the integration of the overmolding technologies into harness assemblies. At BizLink Electrical Appliances Assemblies, we specify at least 4 types of completely different production processes, processing more than 4,000 tons of PVC compounds, 140,000 kilometers of bulk cables, more than 50 million of power cords and complex assemblies, such as internal wiring and system solutions. Strict quality controls form a part of our production process at every stage. All our products are 100% electrically tested for functionality and safety-related standards and comply with all relevant international standards and even more specific customer demands. All the requirements are summarized in the internal BizLink Electrical Appliances Assembly Standard. Products that pass the control process are automatically marked. Should something be found faulty, it is automatically rejected. Our added value lies in material development, testing, and simulation. BizLink material expertise ensures the highest levels of reliability and durability for our products. Our clients benefit from intensive R&D activities in-house and with external laboratories and universities. As a cable assembler and systems provider, BizLink has always, over the past 30 years, gone the extra mile for our partners.